Hey y'all, it's been a minute, but I'm back. Today I'm gonna show y'all how I achieved this super cute loop rod set. So I began by using the Beyond Glamorous Beauty Co. clay wash, which I've never purchased a clay wash, but I really liked it. My hair wasn't super dry, and as you can see, once I rinsed it out, my curls were popping. This is with no extra product in it, no conditioner, no anything, and my hair felt really soft with it. First, I used the Avocado Sea Mud Deep Conditioner, and I let it sit on my hair for probably about an hour or so. When I started putting it in, my hair had partially dried because, you know, dog mom life. As soon as I try to do anything, no one wants to go outside, so yeah. Even though my hair was kind of dry, the deep conditioner actually still provided some slip. But I went back and wet the rest of my hair so that I can get a good deep conditioning in. I feel like I say this every video, but I love this deep conditioner. The slip that it gives, the moisture that it helps my hair to retain. I absolutely love it, and it smells so good. See? You see how the other side was dry? What is that? For my leave-in, I used the Beyond Glamorous Miracle Spray. I also love this product. I actually did a review on this whole line, well, most of the line, that hopefully I'll get out to you all soon. For my cream, I used the Curl and Style Smoothie, which, again, I also love. And I decided to go with a light oil for this style, so I'm using the Main Choice Hydrating Oil Spray. Again, I use this product all the time. I love it. You've seen it in my other videos. If you haven't seen them, go check them out. So as you guys saw in the beginning and on my Instagram, I decided to have a little bit of fun. So I used the AsIAm curl color in Cool Blue. These are the loop rods. I have 24 of them. I bought 4 packs of 12. So I was hoping that would be enough for my hair, and I actually only ended up using 20 or 21, I believe. So yeah. I already put some of the gel on my hair. I did it by section. And I'm actually going to do a review of this curl color that will be basically the same style, so be on the lookout for that. Putting the rods in actually wasn't as tedious as I thought it would be. The hardest thing was making sure it was close enough to my scalp, but also not too tight. So as you see with this first one, I kind of looped it around a couple times after I got closer to my scalp so that it could be a little bit tight. Putting the loop rods in wasn't as tedious as I thought it would be. The hardest part was doing with the gloves, but as far as technique, you would put it in like you would do a perm rod or a flexi rod if you're doing just regular curls, not the, you know, wand curl type pattern. So yeah, I'll just show you a couple of more. It was really simple, really easy. It didn't take me that long to actually put them in. The longest part was putting the gel in and then going through the rest of the process. Also, to make sure my hair was elongated, I started near the end of the rod and tried to go upwards as far as I could up the rod. So all done, but this front one was giving me a little bit of trouble. So basically I just looped it under another one of the loop rods. So I ended up sitting under my dryer for quite a while because I wanted to make sure that it was nice and dry. So a couple of them had gotten kind of loose, mainly just that one in the back, and I think there's another one that actually unhooked. Yeah, that one right there, but it didn't affect my curl, so that was a pretty good thing. I think the hardest part of this whole process was figuring out how to get these out of my head, because I started in the back, so I would be untwisting and then the loop rod would hit another rod, and it took me a few times to figure out which was the best way to take them out. And it really wasn't until I got to the front and the top where there weren't any more rods in the way that I really efficiently was able to take them out. Okay, when I got to this point, you can't really see it on my face, but I was like, oh Jesus, what is this gonna look like? Why didn't I use all of the rods? But yeah, spraying some more of the Main Choice hydrating oil spray. My hands, get those nice and oiled. Even though I love definition, I also like a lot of body. I love big hair. So as you can see, some of my ends aren't, perfectly rolled, but I really like it like that. It looks more lived in, I guess you can say that, but also gives it more body and a little bit more character. So I wasn't really sure about the curl color because even though it's a new product, I had seen a couple of people use it and theirs wasn't vibrant like this. But when I took these out, y'all, I was in love. I also normally don't do this much separation of my curls because my hair tends to just clump right back up together, and plus, I don't know, I used to feel like if I separated them too much, the style wouldn't last, but I'm so glad I did. And looking back, I might have separated them just a tad bit more, just to give it a little bit more body and a little bit more volume, but once I pick it out, it'll do a little bit better. Don't mind the back, I don't really care about that. So I'm showing y'all this pic because I got it from the Black Hair Experience, and it's a traveling museum all about the history of black hair and black hairstyles. It's here in Atlanta right now, and I really want to go, but with COVID and everything, I'm gonna wait and see. But be on the lookout next year because they are planning to travel, but I wanted to support them, so I bought one of their picks. Can y'all tell I'm excited about this style and this color? I was so happy with how this turned out. Look at it. It's just shaking. The body's there. The curls bounce right back to their position, and the color is just amazing. I truly was in love, and if I could keep this all the time, I would. I'm really contemplating dyeing my hair blue now, but I'm gonna wait and see because I want to try the other colors as well. So yeah, how y'all feel about it? Do y'all like it? Do y'all love it? I know on Instagram everybody was complimenting the color, so here it is in live action. Alright y'all, that's it for this time. Make sure you all like, comment, and definitely subscribe so that you can see all of my videos. Peace.